Andy and Mrs. Emma on the plane, and nothing's gonna be the same. So join them on their overseas trip and watch the whole video, and don't just skip. Andy and Mrs. Emma on the plane, and nothing's gonna be the same. So join them on their overseas trip and watch the whole video, and don't just skip.
Well, crew, welcome to tonight's episode, and we are at Oliverfly. What? Say hello.
Hello.
It used to be called Bar Oliver, and it's been Bar Fly for quite It's been Oliver Fly now for quite a while. But we used to call it, used to be Bar Oliver, didn't it? So I think a lot of people know it's that. Anyway, welcome to tonight. We're going to have some cocktails, maybe some tapas. We'll see how the time goes. Maybe some tapas. It's our last night on the gorgeous Hot Rock, isn't it? So we go home tomorrow. We've enjoyed ourselves, haven't we? Time flies when you're enjoying yourselves. But as Arnie Schwarzenegger says, we'll be back. Well, maybe not you, but I think I've videoed this before, so I'm not going to video too much of this. Check out our other video if you want to see the menu full, but it's pages and pages of drinks, and it's huge, isn't it? So I think the first, they've got 17 pages, and I think 15 are drinks and 2 are like food. So yeah, the last 2 pages are food. So you can check it out on our other video we've done from up here from last year. So I'm not going to go through all that again, otherwise we'll be here all night. How you getting on this then?
I think I don't know what.
Bearing in mind we're on page 2.
Right. It's finished about 15 minutes.
There is, I looked on the menu, there's 17 pages there. 15 are of alcohol, 2 are of food.
No, there's 1 for food.
No, it's 2 for food. 2 pages on their menu for food, the rest is all alcohol.
Brenna's been counting.
Yeah. So, this is going to take a little time.
14 hours later.
3 hours later.
And then it
Just pick glasses on. I want to do a very slow motion secretarial thing when you take them off. Hello there. Can we have, you want to...
have any milkshake?
Milkshake, okay.
What cocktails do you have?
Strawberry, chocolate, and chocolate.
Perfect. I'll have a mojito for me, please.
Mojito for you.
Yes, please.
3 weeks later.
Martini.
Espresso martini.
Thank you.
Oh, we got there in the end.
I knew it's on there somewhere.
What time are you doing food till? You're doing food still, yeah?
But in the moment it's not possible. We have too much.
Too many people?
Yeah, too much people.
Okay.
Would you like something drink white?
Yeah, we'll have some food later. Yes, cool. Thank you. Gracias. Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Oh, he trusted me with a glass straw.
Yeah?
He trusted me with a glass straw.
Well, don't bite it, will you?
I'll take this home with me. It's well good.
Is it?
Try that.
Well, it's chocolate milkshake, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. He needs to stuff it on his nose then. Oh, I ain't having that. Do you want to try?
Yeah, all right.
Let's do a little spin, shall we?
Let's do a little shimmy.
Shimmy, actually looks like
Mojito over here?
Mojito for
For me. Thank you.
Mojito for me. Thank you.
Wow.
Gracias.
Oh, lovely, isn't it? Cool.
Gracias.
Thank you.
That's lovely.
So, salud, thank you. Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
God. That's nice, isn't it?
Well, there was a bit of a wait for these, but the wait seems to be worth it, doesn't it?
It's frosted.
We can order now, you say? Oh, we'll have these first. Is that okay? We'll In about 10 minutes, is that good? Thank you. You gotta eat the coffee beans.
No, I'm not. I'll have one.
I've done it before.
Thank you. Gracias.
Ah, gracias. Thank you.
Can I try it?
Look at the menu, like homemade tapas.
Can't eat coffee beans, Tanner. I'll try. No, you can't. What happens?
Order some potatoes, can't we?
No.
Some peppers. Loaded nachos. Might be better nachos here. She can dig into them, can't she?
No, I don't like nachos. I make it feel
Or maybe she can't dig into them. Right, we've got croquettes, meat lasagna,
No, I don't like that.
lasagna, whatever that is,
I
meatballs.
don't like it.
We've got classic
Don't like them.
cheeseburger.
You only a burger or something to us?
Yes.
Is it nice? Yeah.
And see, it's quite strong taste in alcohol, but that tastes in Italy.
Did
I'm
it?
not knocking it because it's
No.
all right, but that's why I don't have mojitos normally. But the mojitos we've been having recently have been really nice. It's got a little bit of a sugary bit taste to it as well.
Yeah, they do. They put sugar in them. Well,
Other ones have no ten.
do you really?
Yeah, I do.
They
I mean,
were,
that's-
nice.
You
They were
probably like
nice.
that more than me.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
But
Just stop teasing.
it's nice, but that's everything that I don't like about mojitos. They taste in
Yes,
Italy.
Well, we can always swap if you want to.
No, I'm not drinking that rubbish. I'd rather that.
Mine's nice. It's done
But
nicely.
that's the proper mojito problem. That's
Yeah,
probably how
it
it
is,
should
yeah.
look. I mean, it looks fantastic. I can't knock the view of it. It looks good.
All the ice will be in my bag
But
soon.
it's just, I prefer the ones that we've been having over that one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but
You get see people. Everyone does it
aesthetically,
different.
aesthetically, very pleasing. A bit like me.
Yeah.
Just hands. I've got Mrs. M.
What do you think of it?
Tastes like cold creamy coffee. Tastes like cold creamy coffee. Why don't you eat the coffee bean like you made me do
No.
last year?
That's a no. That's definitely a no from me.
But as I said, they are actually beautiful to look at, aren't they? And the cocktails.
And my beautiful shake that I'm nearly drunk.
And your chocolate milk's all right, isn't it?
Yes.
Anyway, so we'll wait for the wait to come back and we'll order some on this tapas, shall we? And order you well, you want a burger, don't you? Chicken burger.
Cheeseburger.
What do you want?
That's what you had last time.
Which one? I had the goat burger, didn't I? What do you want? What? Classic burger?
Yeah.
Classic burger.
Classic cheeseburger.
Classic cheeseburger.
Yes,
Okay, that
classic
we can do. Oh yeah. Can we order for her, please? Can we get the classic cheeseburger, please?
Classic cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Classic cheeseburger.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
then
we
medium, well down.
medium, please. Yeah. Just burger, rather medium on a burger.
Okay.
Yeah, and can we get some Canary potatoes?
Another potato.
Some padron peppers.
Pepper. Okay.
Some meatballs
Meatballs.
and some fried chicken, please.
Fried chicken.
Perfect. You take card, yeah? You take card here? You take card?
Yes.
Good, good, good. Thank you. Oh, and she wants the internet, please, if you have the Wi-Fi.
Okay. I know the password.
Thank you so much. You're the mojito queen. What do you think?
But
Nice.
You like it more than I do, probably.
try some mine.
Doesn't really go with that.
No, just to cover that, definitely not.
No, I'm alright. That's it.
Definitely
You know
not.
what I think that is? You know when you have fortune cookies? A bit like a filling or that.
Oh?
You know when you have fortune cookies?
Are you on drugs?
Muchas gracias.
Oh, lovely.
All, okay?
Okay.
It's the cheeseburger there. What did you do?
Huh?
What did you say?
It's going to come back with the rest of it.
You just took my
Supposed to look all right. No, I think the cheeseburger's someone else.
Have no jam.
You'll never understand. You get 3 meatballs.
3, yeah.
There's 2.
It's like-
I never understand that.
A meat a week.
Looks good though. Looks nice. Smells look good.
1.5 each.
5 pieces. Burger
There, burgers there.
and chicken fried.
Nice one. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you very much.
Gracias.
Something else at least, well,
Padron peppers.
pepper, pepper.
Yeah. Show me your burger. That looks good. That looks real good.
Oh,
There's
you
your
need
canary potatoes, and you've got your verde and your mojo sauce. There's some fried chicken and some meatballs. Dip there. Just try that little bit of that dip on
I
that.
think it's mustard, isn't
Is it? It's a mustard
Smell it.
sauce.
It's like a mustard.
Is it?
Do you smell it? No, it's alright. I don't like mustard.
There we go. Come on, peppers.
Keep it butter.
Padron peppers.
Yeah.
Gracias. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, we love the padron peppers. We love the padron peppers, don't we?
What is
Well,
on that?
bon appetito. Crack on with your burger, baby. Well, all the people that moan we don't eat authenticated food. You can't get much more authenticated than this, can you? This is your typical Spanish grub, innit?
Yeah.
So it's not all about chips, is it?
No. I try.
And curries. Dive in, Mrs. M. Dive in. Now, would you like? This is a bit of a variety, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it mustard?
Pickle lily.
Is it? Well, that's like a sort of burgery mustard kind of thing,
Yeah.
isn't it? Try a little bit down there. But I love my mojo sauce. You can't beat your mojo sauce. Oh, yes, buds.
What is that?
Well, and a little bit of verde, south of verde.
What is that?
Anyway, how to cook canary potatoes.
Try my burger.
Right, how you cook canary potatoes is that you boil them. They use old potatoes, and they boil them up, and they put a lot of salt in when they're cooking, and they let them actually boil dry. So that's when they get the wrinkled texture when they're. So there's a lot of salt, sea salt involved with that. How's your little burger doing?
Tried it yet? Ready?
Give us a little taste test of your burger.
Looks nice, isn't it?
I'll tell you something. This kid could eat for England. The amount of food this girl has consumed today is unbelievable. Anyway, how was it? Nice.
Burger sauce in it?
Right, I'm going to give mine a little bit of a whirl. Try a little bit of my chicken. Quite a chicken and scallop, isn't it? Chicken and scallop. Got a bit maybe of meatball. Oh, meatballs are gorgeous. Meatballs are gorgeous. Really nice. Really good. And a bit of spud. Well, you can't really go wrong with a spud, can you? Dip it in a bit of the mojo sauce. Salt is lovely because the salt gets boiled into it. So you don't need to season them. They are seasoned well and truly enough. And very good. And I actually, anyone asks me, I actually know how to make mojo sauce. So if you want to send me a link, I will actually put I'll show you how to make mojo sauce.
Gran knows everything.
Mrs. M's daughter loves our mojo sauce, doesn't she?
Which one?
Chloe.
Oh.
Right,
You
let's
done?
try a padron pepper.
That's really tender.
They cook to perfection. And not spicy. Padron peppers aren't spicy.
No, they're not.
No. Yeah, well, excellent.
That reminds me of Scotland.
Crispy seaweed salty like that, isn't it? But they're not spicy though, are they? They're really nice. You like it?
Yeah.
No. My My only big bugbear about tapas, it's kind of like buffet food, isn't it? You don't really get a plate of anything, do you? It's just like a mix and match.
Yeah.
And then people go into like all-inclusive buffets because they only don't have a proper meal. Well, tapas isn't really a proper meal, is it? You know, 3 meatballs, 3 bits of chicken, some spuds, and some peppers, but it's not really.
It's picky bits, isn't it?
Yeah, picky bits, but it just reminds me a little bit of buffet food. Posh buffet food, but buffet food.
Yeah. It's like,
Well, I thoroughly enjoyed that. And you?
yeah, it's nice.
They were really, really tasty. How are you getting on with yours? Good, you're doing well. Yeah, can't fault that. Lovely. I just find it a little like buffet food. Something down the side. But they're very tasty,
I
aren't
don't
they?
understand why they would give you. I mean, I was alright anyway, but I mean, I don't understand why they just give you 3 meatballs, 3 chicken.
I know, it's kind of enticing to get another one, isn't it, I think.
It's,
Because a lot of people share tapas, don't they?
yeah, that's tap.
But you don't normally have 3 of you sort of sitting couples or whatever. It should be 4 of everything, I think, personally. Let us know in the comments what you think, but I just find it weird as well, 3 of everything.
That's why it's a they share.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what they've done? They're 3 of us.
Maybe. Good of her, but I don't think so. We've had it before.
Because she ordered twice.
We've had it before when you get 3 of things. I know. But, can't fault it. Really, really nice. Don't think it's going to be cheap, I'll be honest. But it's our last night, it's a bit of a blowout. So, I can't fault it for its quality or its taste.
No, it's not.
Did you need coffee?
I'll keep this one, is that good? Gracias, thank you so much. Really good. Right, so let's go through this again. Well, I thought the quality was there. Quality was fantastic. Can't fault the quality. And I thought, value for money for the quality, yes. I mean, I don't think you get like house spirits in them. You get the proper ones, don't you? Little Tiddles, what did you think?
It was good.
You enjoyed it, yeah?
It wasn't that cheesy.
Wasn't cheesy your burger, but it was a nice burger. That was good quality. I must admit, I did try a bit of your burger, and it was gorgeous. I also tried some of your chips, and they were like triple fried chips. I think they were really crispy. So not high quality. No, she wasn't. I mean, they weren't high quality chips, but they were done really nicely. So, and I did spill a bit on my shirt. So if you see this in a future video with a mark on my shirt, you know where it came from. I always missed him. You couldn't miss yours, could you? It's always open. Anyway, so on that note, thumbs up for Oliver. Oliverfly. Give it a look. It's upstairs, opposite the Happy Centre.
It's very busy tonight as well.
It was very busy. I managed to film it when everyone's buggered off. But anyway, excellent.
Then I say this must be the